Workflow automation with AI, no code needed. Welcome. In this session, you'll learn how to automate everyday business and personal tasks without writing a single line of code. With no code tools powered by AI, you can boost productivity, save time, and reduce errors effortlessly. Why automate your workflows? Automation saves time by handling repetitive tasks, reduces errors through consistent execution, and helps scale your operations without adding headcount. It frees up your team to focus on high value, strategic work that drives real results. How automation works. Every automation starts with a trigger, an event like a form submission. Data moves between apps, logic and filters apply rules, and actions follow, such as sending an email or updating a record, all done automatically. Popular no-code automation tools. Make.com enables advanced workflows with a visual builder. Zapier is great for beginners, offering easy setup and vast integrations. N8N is open source and perfect for developers needing full control and customization, including self-hosting options. Common business automation use cases. From routing new leads into your CRM to generating documents, scheduling reports, or tracking invoices, automation handles it all, freeing teams from manual follow-ups and repetitive admin work. Personal automation ideas. You can automate calendars, smart home routines, social media posts, and emails. These automations help reclaim your personal time while ensuring you stay organized and on top of your daily tasks. Getting started, step by step. Start by mapping your manual process. Pick the right tool based on your goals. Create a simple workflow with a clear trigger and action. As you grow, add logic and expand your automations gradually. Measuring automation success. Successful automation saves time up to 85%, reduces errors by 93%, delivers strong ROI 3.5 times, and boosts job satisfaction 60%. These metrics help justify investment and identify areas for further automation.